Namaskar students, how are you? Are you fine? It is Stuval class, standard 3. I am Arup Chakraborty. Today we discuss model questions and answer. Everybody open your books, page number 39. Page number 39. Open your books, page number 39. Model questions. Question number 1. Which is the biggest bird? The ostrich is the biggest bird. Ostrich is the biggest bird. Which is the tallest animal? The giraffe is the tallest animal. The giraffe is the tallest animal. Where does the cuckoo lay her eggs? Cuckoo, কোকিল কোকিল কোথায় ডিম পাড়ে? In a crow's nest, কাকের বাসায়. Which animal runs very fast? Which animal runs very fast? The leopard. Leopard, cheetah. Cheetah খুব দ্রুত দৌড়ায়. Which is our national flower? National flower. Our national flower is lotus. Which is our national bird? National bird, peacock. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Which is the longest river in India? The longest river in India is the Ganga. Which is our national emblem? Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Which is our national song? National anthem, national song. Jatiyo Sangit, Jatiyo Gan. Jatiyo Sangit, Jana Gana Mana. And national song, Jatiyo Gan, Bonde Mataram. What is our national emblem? আমাদের প্রতীক, জাতীয় প্রতীক, the national emblem is our Ashok Chakra. Which bird can see at night? Which bird can see at night? কোন পাখি রাতে দেখতে পায়? The owl. In which country do we live? India. What is the India's population? India's population is more than 100 crore. Which is the highest mountain in India? The Himalaya. The Himalaya. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? আছে Nanda Devi. এটা K2. The highest mountain peak K2. Nanda Devi হবে না, এটা K2. How many states are there in India? 29 states. What is the capital of India? We know? New Delhi. What did India becomes independent? 15th August 1947. 15th August 1947. Who is the first president in India? ভারতের প্রথম রাষ্ট্রপতি কে ছিলেন? ডক্টর রাজেন্দ্র প্রসাদ. Which is the largest populated state in India? Uttar Pradesh. Where is the Indian Ocean? To the south of India. আজ এই পর্যন্তই। নাও question answer. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. In which animal runs very fast? Runs very fast. Which animal runs very fast? B. Where is the Indian Ocean? Indian Ocean. C. Which bird can see at night? D. When did India become independent? E. What is our national emblem? National emblem. F. What is our national emblem? What is who was the first president in India? Which animal runs very fast? Leopard. Which is the Indian? Where is the Indian Ocean? The south of India. Which bird can see at night? The owl. When did India become independent? 15th August 1947. What is our national emblem? Ashok Chakra. Who was the first president in India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. CW plus HW. Namaskar. Goodbye.